This is by far the coolest Begleri set I've ever checked out. These are the Reactors by TGP Begleri. Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and Tyrone over at TGP Begleri sent me a set of these amazing reactors to check out. TGP Begleri are known for these signature magnetic ends that allow the Begleri to catch and connect as you play with them, and it is super satisfying. But also they allow you to fidget with the Begleri almost like a clicker. Now let's have a closer look at this beautifully machined set that's made out of titanium. And these are machined in-house by Tyrone himself. In this set, we've got 2 grooves going around each bead, and set into each bead are 6 resin glow rods of different colors. Now I don't know about you, but I'm getting some serious Infinity Stones vibes from these colors, and when charged up by the sun or a really bright flashlight, they look really amazing. Now, as you can see, these are strung up on some 425 cord, but the bore is big enough for 550. However, the bore at the bottom isn't large enough to encapsulate an overhand knot with 550. So if you do use 550, you'll just have to do a flat burn where you just snip off the ends and melt them to mushroom them out at the end so that the paracord doesn't slip through. Now looking closely at the magnetic ends, the ring around the bore also glows. Again, super cool. Now, as a Begleri set, these have a very average weight of 19.1 grams, and that makes them very playable for all skill levels. The titanium does have a nice clack to them when you play, making them a very fun set overall. Now, if you look at the overall shape of the beads, they're more or less like barrels, but they do have nice rounded tops, which makes them very comfortable in between your fingers when you're playing with them. And on the bottoms, the edges are nicely rounded and chamfered so that when the beads hit your knuckles, they do not hurt whatsoever. The titanium also has a nice brushed finish, and they will wear in and patina very well as you play with them and the beads hit each other. The strength of the magnets is also just right, as they are strong enough to connect and link up when you need them to, but they aren't so strong that they will get hung up on each other unintentionally. Most importantly, the magnetic ends are just super satisfying when you're playing with the beads, and you do a move that allows them to catch as you finish a combo, or just some sort of repeater where the beads connect and disconnect. So much fun. Also important to note, if you don't like magnetic ends, you can always ask Tyrone to have them not magnetized. So all in all, this is a great set, and if you're looking for a really unique Begleri set, I would highly suggest checking these reactors out from TGP Begleri. I'll have a link for them down below, and know that each and every of these sets are handmade by one person, Tyrone, in his garage. He does high quality work with these sets, and if you buy something from him, you're supporting his business, his family, and his livelihood. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed checking this set out. And again, if you want to get one for yourself, check that link down below.